Hi friends, this is Fede Arredondo with KUBO Creative Group, and I'm going to show you a little bit of how KUBO Web Builder works. So let's get to it. Once you sign up, you will receive an email that looks like this from KUBO Creative Group, and it will say, "Dear, your name, congratulations, you can now review your new site." Alright, so let's go to the login URL provided on the email. And you see it will ask us to create a password with our new email. So let's go ahead and do that. Confirm it. Alright, once you are in, this is your dashboard. Very self-explanatory. Your account information here. And if you wish, you can switch your interface to a different language. So we're working in English right now, so we'll keep it in English. Stats is where you will see all your analytics once it's live. Sites is the amount of sites you have under your username. So in this case, we have a template already selected, and let's say we need to change the site of this one in case we have several. So we go here, this drop down menu, let's rename it to my new. By the way, you cannot use spaces in this name, so you can use underscores. So my new site, let's rename that. As you can see, it saved it in all lowercase. Let's go ahead and edit. That's the first step. So as you can see, it looks like a live website with a couple of menus. This top bar here with some options, and this sidebar. This sidebar right here on the left is got everything to do with the design and how the website looks. This first drop down menu will take you to your different pages on your site. Let's go to the home one, and this will show you a preview of how it looks on different devices. For example, a tablet or a smartphone. Okay, let's go back to this view since we are in a desktop or a laptop. Okay, now this check mark is important. Once you make any changes, it automatically saves them for you. So let's say we're gonna change this text. Let's say we're gonna change this text right here for an awesome mood. All right, once I click out of it, it noticed it made a change. So it's updating here. The changes have been saved. First thing you would want to do is, of course, pick a template. This one is a default one, but let's say we want a whole new different one. Let's go to design right here on our left. We go down to reset site down here. I'm going to do a complete reset, and it'll prompt you to select a new template. This is the one that was selected at first. You can set favorites. You can go by category, business, landing page, professional services, and so on. Alright, so let's say we're opening a burger joint. Let's select this one, and it'll start building it for you. Once it's ready, it'll show up here on your editor page. And let's say, okay, I like it, but it's not what I'm looking for. Okay, let's go back and change it. Let's do a complete reset. But before you even change it, you can see a preview. Let's see how it looks on a laptop or an iPad or a smartphone. Okay, well let's let's look at this one right here. Very clean. Okay, I think I like it. Let's start building. So it'll build your website and fill out all the template information. So all you need to do now is update pictures, information, and your social media and your contact info. As simple as that. The websites are built in what are called rows and columns. This is a row, this is a row, and if you hover over this, you can see it's labeled as a row. Labeled as a row. Your slogan, no, eat all fresh ingredients. And again, once I click out, I noticed there was a change and it's updating it. Now it's saved the changes. On the next video, I'm going to show you how to change your logo, your contact information, and some other good stuff. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Any questions, you can give us a call. Email us at contact@kubocreativegroup.com. See you next time.